What's up, guys? It's your girl Whitney Ovielle back again for another video. And for today's video, we are going to be doing a twist out routine. Yeah. So because I have been flat ironing my hair way too much, I had to, take it back to the basics and start doing my twist outs just so my curls can start, learning their pattern again. So to prevent major product buildup, I was trying just to use one product, and that was going to be the Shine and Jam gel. But, I'm always the type to be like, just in case. So I have my Curling Hands Smoothie by Shea Moisture. That's my go-to for any twist out. Y'all know how I do. I am separating my hair into 4 sections because it's just way too much hair, way too thick of a hair to be trying to work in just one big old section. So we're gonna split this thing up into 4s. Yo, I just got a haircut, so a lot of my length is gone, but the curls are popping. Just watching this video back, I'm so happy I cut those ends away because the curls are looking good, except for the front because flat ironing too much. So after our mini dance break, I'm just separating that bottom section into, a half. And then I'm going to go ahead and start applying product. So at this point, I'm applying the gel and I'm not sure about it. So I kept, going back. And I do that usually, but I could just tell that my hair was not taking this product very well. And so I'm trying to decide in my head, should I continue with the gel? Should I switch over to the Curling Hands Smoothie? Not really sure yet. So instead of giving up on the gel completely, I was like, okay, well, let me just use the conditioner that I used on wash day because it worked really well with my hair. And if you haven't seen my wash day video, I'm going to link it in the cards so you can check that out after you watch this one. So yeah, I tried to, help it out a bit by using the conditioner that I used for my wash day. So adding the conditioner with the Shine and Jam gel seemed to be working, so I just kept doing that for the time being, and I think that's what I use for the rest of my hair as well, if I'm not mistaken. I don't think I used the Shea Moisture at all. Yep, I didn't switch it up at all. Okay, so you guys are just gonna see me finish twisting up this side of my hair, and then I'll show you what products I use next. Yes, that was so cheesy, but I've been waiting to do one of those transitions. I've been trying to, master get it down. But anyways, the oil that I'm using, to grow my hair out is the Curls Growth Oil. This helped me grow my hair out the very first time that I started growing my hair, so I already know how I get down, I already know how it works, and so I'm looking forward to it doing its job this time. Stay tuned on my journey so that you can see my hair grow along with me. So at first I put the oil down where I parted my hair with the 4 sections, but then, I was just going in randomly and squirting the oil where, I just felt like it should go, wherever my hair felt like it was dry and was a little itchy. And I put oil there too. And then, just massaging it in. All right, you guys, so this is my twist out routine. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit the like button, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys the next time that I upload a video. Bye, guys.